This is DZOE TV 11, a commercial TV station with 100 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated, with station license number BSD 049-2025 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until March 11, 2026. Zoe TV 11 studios are located on the 22nd floor of Strata 2000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe TV 11 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199, and carried out by the following electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 66327. Engineer Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, ECE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Pabros, ECE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, ECE number 63291. Engineer Jimuel M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael, ECE number 68369. Engineer Michael Andrew M. Kapendit, ECE number 76124. Engineer Terry John H. Blanza II, ECE number 41568. Engineer Roberto A. Pagio, ECE number 33456. Mary Joy G. Falculan, ECT number 23222. John Paul R. Ogsomer, ECT number 27635. Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1PV-23313. Nelson Jr. C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. DTV20 Cebu City, DTV20 Guimaras, DTV20 Cagayan de Oro City, DTV20 Davao City, DTV32 Baguio City. This is Zoe TV 11, now signing on.
Maraming salamat po sa panibagong araw na ito na inyong ipinagkaloob. Salamat po sa bagong lakas, sigla at biyaya na patuloy ninyong ibinibigay. Kami nagpapakumbaba, inihahandog ang aming sarili at itinatalaga po sa iyo ang araw na ito. Dalangin po namin na kami maging daluyan ng buhay, paglilingkod, pagpapala at liwanag sa nakararami. Turuan mo po kaming lalong manatili sa iyong salita at samahan po kami nang sa gayon higit na kami makaimpluwensya ng katotohanan. Kasihan mo po kami ng iyong Santong Espiritu upang lalo naming maisulong ang iyong kaharian at katwiran saan mang dako mo po kami dalhin. Punuin mo po kami muli ng pagmamahal sa iyo sa aming pagsunod. Dumaloy ang pag-ibig mo sa pag-abot at paglilingkod namin sa aming kapwa. Tulungan po kaming maging matapat sa lahat ng aming kilos at salita at makita ang integridad sa lahat ng aming ginagawa. Ito po ang aming samot dalangin sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus, ang aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas. Amen.